Hello student, today in this class of physics, measurement and experimentation part 3, we will discuss about screw gauge. What is this screw gauge? Screw gauge is an instrument used to measure very small length, just like the diameter of wire, diameter of ball, thickness of sheets of metal, paper, etc. So this is the screw gauge. Here always we have to hold like this as I am holding. So for you have to, if you hold like this, then you will get here all these parts. So you look here, this is the body of the screw gauge, and this body is fitted with a nut. I'm showing you some part of it. This is the here nut is fitted within this cylinder, and this is U-shaped body. Here is one nut fitted, which is called as stud, this brownish color. This is the stud, which can be adjusted when there is certain error, and this cylinder is having the straight line along its length, what is known as the baseline or reference line, and that is also marked, calibrated with millimeter. So here this is also known as linear scale or base scale. Now this part, it is provided with a screw. For this only it is named as screw gauge. Now this screw, when it is fitted here, it moves ahead. This is a circular scale, that is also known as thimble. So we will hold this and rotate. This part is known as the ratchet. So this has the provision to, suppose we want to measure the diameter of this pen, so we have to keep in between stud and screw, and then it is to be rotated. Suppose this much to be rotated. By chance you are turning more, then there will be slipping sound you can hear. That means it cannot be overpressed. If it is overpressed, then you will get the wrong reading. Now how to measure the diameter, means the steps of measurement, how to do it. Now you see, you have to know about the pitch of the screw, as you had pitch in the vernier scale. So when you give a complete rotation, suppose starting from here 0, you match with the baseline, and then give a complete clockwise turn. After one turn, it will go, this screw will go ahead by certain distance. That as much distance it will move ahead, that is known as the pitch of the screw. So how can you know how much distance? So this thimble moves here, this edge of this circular scale here, this one will go ahead on the main scale. So how much distance it is traveling on giving a complete rotation, that is called the pitch. So here in this case, the pitch we shall get 1 millimeter, that is equals to 0.1 centimeter. Now suppose how small the length it can measure. So suppose you are rotating one rotation, means complete one rotation. By that time this circular scale has got certain number of divisions. Here in this case it is 100, mostly we get 100, sometimes 50 or 200, like that. So in general, in our case, the number of division in the circular scale is 100. So when 100 division passes through the baseline, it goes ahead by 1 millimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. Just suppose you are giving one division, you turn the screw such that only one division of the circular scales pass through the baseline. Then then also it will go ahead by some distance. That much distance is known as the least count. So we can say least count of the screw gauge, least count of the screw gauge will be 1 millimeter divided by the number of division on its circular scale. So when you are turning one division, number of division on circular scale, or that is also known as head scale. Now it is 1 millimeter divided by 100, that is equals to 0.001 millimeter, or it is 0.01 centimeter. It will be centimeter. Now this is the least count. Now how to measure the, suppose you are keeping the object in between this. In this case, what is the diameter? How to know? Like this, you hold and then you see. So in this case, what I am finding, this is the portion of your user, this one, this is the baseline. What I am seeing here, it has covered up to 8 division. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means main scale reading, MSR, main scale reading is 0.8 millimeter. Now on this vernier scale, in this circular scale, that 45 division is matching with the baseline. So circular scales division equals to 45. There is no millimeter or centimeter, only it is the division that coincides with the baseline. Then how to know the diameter of this pen? Diameter, that is the length. Diameter of this pen will be main scales reading plus least count into circular scales divisions. So in this case, main scale reading is 0.8. It is centimeter only. 0.8 centimeter. It is 8 millimeter plus least count, already I have shown you 0.001 centimeter. All we are using in centimeter, but it has no unit. It is 45. So it is coming 0.8 plus 0.045. Altogether it is 0.45 centimeter. This is the diameter of the screw. Now sometimes what happens, when we are turning it screw, it will fix with the stud. That means there is no gap in between, the length is 0. Suppose you are getting such situation, that means 0 of the circular scale and 0 of the base scale should coincide. That means the main scale reading should be 0 and vernier circular scales division should also be 0. But sometimes this does not happen. What happens? Either 0 goes above due to repeated use or over compressing, or sometimes this error, even though there is no object in between the screw and stud. 0 goes above, or sometimes the 0 goes below the baseline. This is the baseline, this is 0. Main scale reading is 0, here also, here also. But here this circular scale division, that is the 97th division, is matching with the baseline. Here in this case 0 is below the baseline, and it is third line, that is third division, is matching with the baseline. You see, this is the baseline, this is division 3. So when 0 is above the baseline, that is negative 0 error. Now here is 0 is below, the reading is positive, that is 3. So in this case it is called positive 0 error. Done. In conclusion, we can say when 0 is above the baseline, it is negative 0 error, and when 0 is below the baseline, it is positive 0 error. Now how to calculate this error? So in this case, the first case, case 1, the error E equals to, in general we say error equals to least count into circular scales division. So case 1, you have least count 0.001 centimeter into, as it is negative, so we shall subtract the number of division on the circular scale 100 minus the division that coincides, that is circular scales division, that is 97. So we have here 3 into this, that is your 0.003 centimeter. Now what's about the second one? Error is here, this is the negative error, so there we shall use here negative sign. This is the negative error. Be sure about it is negative error. And then here the second case, it is positive error, so you may use the sign positive, and formula is same. Least count is 0.001 centimeter into the division that coincide is 3, so it is 3. So we are getting the error, positive error, 0.003 centimeter. Now how to get the correct reading? As in case of vernier we have seen the correct reading or correct diameter or thickness equals to observe reading minus error. If the error is positive, directly it will be subtracted from observed reading, and if the error is negative, then negative of negative will be positive, that means it will be added up. Look at this example. The thimble of a screw gauge has 100 division on it. If the thimble advances 2 mm when 4 complete rotations are given, calculate pitch and least count. Here it is clear that how many divisions are there in the circular scale. On the circular scale there are 100 divisions. Now as per the definition, when 1 complete rotation is given, as much distance it covers, that is known as pitch. So answer bit number 1, pitch we shall find. Pitch is how much distance it travels in 4 rotations. It is given that when 4 complete rotations are given, 4, that means 2 mm for 1 rotation, so divided by 4, so it is coming 0.5 millimeter convert it in centimeter. Mostly we shall convert in centimeter. This much centimeter. Now bit number 2, list count. List count. That is pitch divided by number of divisions on the circular scale. So pitch is 0.05 centimeter divided by 100. So we have 0.0005 centimeter. So this is the least count.